Good morning friends, I am Ajukumar, the English trainer from English Academy, Pathanamthitta. Most of the English learners are confused about the do, does and did. Where you use these auxiliary, most of the English learners are confused. Remember, do and does and did are mostly used in interrogatives and negatives. Sometimes it is used in statements too. But I just say mostly these two auxiliary verbs are used in interrogatives, that is in questions. For example, where did you go yesterday? Did you complete the work? These are interrogatives and negatives. He did not come yesterday. He did not come yesterday. That's a negative statement. Then think of what's the difference between do, does and did while we use in interrogatives and negatives. Simple. Do and does are present and did is past. Do is always follows plurals and does singular. Does she work? Does she work? She singular, so does. Do you work? You plural, so do. Did you work? That is both. Did she work? Did he work? In both singular and plural, did is the auxiliary verb. Remember, do, does and did are mostly seen in interrogatives and negatives. Interrogatives means questions. Negatives means negative statements. Did is the past and do and does are present. Do is always plural, does is singular. Did is both singular and plural. Right?